What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial on how to use Scheduleonce or the scheduling service on Once Hub. So Once Hub offers you a great scheduling service that is suitable for you to schedule your appointments, your meetings, and to grow your business. So let's get right to it. First of all, you'll need to go to their website, that's oncehub.com. You will land on this page right here. You can get like an overview of and some screenshots and some description of the features of the platform. And here you can click as well on the pricing to take a look at their plans and their prices. You have the starter plans, which is a free plan. You have the growth and you have the enterprise plan. So each with its different price. Of course, the starter is free. And you can view the comparison of the keynotes of the features to choose which one is best for you. And now let's click on Start Now to start creating our account. Now you can sign up with Google or Microsoft, or you can sign up with email. So I've done so. I've signed up with email. I entered my email, my password, and my name, and so on. And once you do, you will land on this page right here, where you would want to set your availability. So they ask you to set your availability beforehand so that you get your calendar ready. So let's say I'm available Monday through Friday from 9 to 4 actually, okay, in my time zone, which is the Cairo time. It detects my location is in Egypt, okay. Of course, any settings you do now, you can change it later once you create your account. So let's click on Continue. And here you can connect your Google Calendar if you already have your appointments and your times, your like free times and everything, your schedule set up on Google Calendar. You can connect it and they'll import only data to your Once Hub. And you can also import different calendars. However, I'll do this later. Here you can connect a video conferencing to Once Hub in order to, once you like check or create an appointment for like a video conference, you can connect and integrate a Zoom meeting right to your calendar. However, I just do this later. And also you can continue using other video conferencing services. So I'll do this later. Okay, and make a test booking to yourself. Actually, let's make it. It'll be nice and beneficial for you to see the process. So it'll open up in a like pop-up here. And here, make a test booking. Now, would you like to schedule a meeting? So that's the view that your clients will be see. So yes, please. Okay. And type in the email address. Let's type in just anything at anything.com. Okay. Now, next. Please, what's your first name? Let's say John. Okay, next. And your last name, Smith. Okay, next. So this is how your clients will enter their details. So here I can choose as a client, of course, I can choose the week and the time. So let's say I want to book a meeting, at like 9:30 a.m. Okay, now confirm it. And then your meeting is confirmed, and an email will send to my email to confirm the meeting that I appointed or I took. Okay, thank you. Now, okay, let's close the test window and now finish my onboarding. Now, here is your main dashboard. So here you have your dashboard. So your engagement rate, some statistics, some reports, and some numbers. Of course, I created this account right now, so I don't have anything going on. So here you have the visitors, seeing the new leads page, the booking pages, and everything. So you can see here, of course, once you do some activity on your account, your dashboard or your reports will be much different. So here are the contacts, so I can add contacts. Of course, this is the contact that I used, or the contact name that I used in the test booking. It's saved right here. You can filter them by, you can say filters and filter them. So you can capture on contact status and contact owner. So here you have the activity. So of course I haven't had any activities yet. However, this is like the test meeting that is scheduled, and now it's closed. So let's view the scheduled. So it's scheduled meeting by a or appointment by a customer, the John Smith. Okay, the time here, the time that I booked the appointment on, and the appointment time is a 15 minutes meeting from 9:30 to 9:45. Okay, and here is another email to the closing, so that the appointment is now closed. So okay, so it's successful. Now here I can view form submissions, the form that the client submitted, the test client, and bot conversations with my chat bot, all activity, filtered and trash. And here in the build, I can go to the booking pages. Here, if I click on it, I'll go to the booking page scheduling setup. So here I have event types, so a 2 hours. This is the one that I created. Now you have, by default, you have 15 minutes, 30 and 60 minutes meeting. So here are the booking page that is owned by you, and the master page is your master. So let's add another or a new 15 minutes meeting. So the duration is 15 minutes. I can of course edit it. The price, I can edit it. It's not displayed, so display a price like $100, a cancellation policy, reschedule policy, and everything. I can save it. Okay, it is now saved. Now, the scheduling options, I can set automatic booking or booking with approval. So I have to approve this. Okay, require approval to be created. I have to approve it in order for the appointment to be created. Now, it's a single session or a session package. So it's a package of like 5 or maybe 10 sessions, for example. It's a one-on-one or group session. So let's say it's one-on-one session. Okay. Now you have your time slot settings, your booking form and redirect. So this is the form, a preview of the form that will get to your clients. Customer notification, payment and cancel per schedule policy, the public content. And here I can share and publish or view integrations. So as view integrations, I can integrate a calendar, a video conferencing service, a CRM, a payment method, and so on. And here I can view the reports, my reports. I can edit the theme, I can edit notification settings, and so much more. So here, let's exit the setup. And here I can set my chat bots. I can manage them. I can view the forms, and I can share the pages or the website embed in my website. So that was like a quick overview of the Once Hub Scheduleonce service and its different features.